This portion of land you are seeing is meant for our open ranching to our animals. We have to plant cassava because it's essential. Though when it is completed, this cassava plants will not be found here. It's only plantains and other plants like the pineapples you are seeing, the other fruits which are there. So here is where we are going to make an open ranch for our goats. You have the cockerel, the native birds we have, though few right now. It's a large portion, and other birds like turkey. This is the only one. We don't despise our little beginning. So this portion of land is meant for just that. So they will be free to eat the grasses they will find around them and the feed that will be supplied to them by us, GTDA Global Farms and Integrated Farmer. Here we are. Please do subscribe our YouTube channels, and we are also on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Twitter. And also, we'll appreciate if you also like our pages. Thank you.